Hi everyone, this is Mr. Chen. So this video is going to talk about more concepts about equations of straight line. So please turn to a new page of your notebook. Write down the date of today and the learning target. Identify three types of straight line. Okay, and a red box representing the equation of straight line that we have already learned. Okay, so let's go. So please help me to write down case 1 on your notebook. And at the same time, please construct the y and the x-axis. Afterwards, please help me to draw a straight line on it. And this straight line passes through 3, 4 with a given slope 2. Therefore, as the straight line passes through 3 and 4, that means it is given that it is x1 and y1, and then 2 is representing the slope m. Therefore, using the equation of straight line, we can set up an equation. Equation of straight line, it will become y minus y1, 4, equals to 2, the slope, times x minus x1, 3. Therefore, y minus 4 equals to 2x minus 6. And finally, y is equals to 2x minus 2. Okay, this is the knowledge that we have learned yesterday, but what's more, or what information that we can get from this equation? That is, first, we know that this 2 is same as the slope of the equation. That means the number in front of x, or the coefficient in front of x, will represent the slope of the equation or the straight line. What's more, that is, if we put or substitute x is equal to 0 into the equation, we can calculate a value of y. 2 times 0 minus 2, it will become negative 2. And this values is representing the y-intercept. Is representing the y-intercept of the straight line, and it is also appear in the equation. Okay, and also appears on the graph as well. Therefore, we can come to a quick conclusion. That is, when we have an equation of straight line y equals to mx plus c, the m is standing for the slope, and the c is representing the y-intercept. Okay, please put 2 stars for it. This is the main concept of this video. Then we will take a look of case 2. Again, please help me to construct the xy axis. Okay, and case 2, we are going to talk about horizontal line. Okay, imagine there are several points of coordinates. For example, 0, 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, and also -1, 4. If I join these few points together, it will give you a horizontal line. But how can we represent this horizontal line? The answer is we can directly take a look of the coordinate. As you can see, these 4 coordinates with a y coordinate of 4. Therefore, we can say that it is y equals to 4. Okay, if we take a look of it in another way, we will know that y is equals to 0x plus 4. What that means? That means there is a 0 in front of x, or the coefficient of x is 0. So that means the slope is equals to 0, and y is equals to the y-intercept is equals to 4. Okay, finally, let's come to the case 3. The last case, case 3, which is the vertical line. Again, please help me to draw the x, y axis on your notebook, and then draw a few points on it, and they are 3, 0, and then 3, 2, and then 3, 4, and one more point, 3, -2. Okay, and then help me to draw a straight line joining these few points. And similar to the previous case, we know that all the x coordinates of this point are the same. They share the same x coordinates. Therefore, we can conclude that if we want to name this vertical line, it will become x is equals to 3. Okay, and then it is a special case that for a vertical line, okay, the slope m is undefined. That means there is no slope, and also there is no y-intercept as well. Okay, good. Okay, this is the end of these videos to identify 3 cases of straight line. So if you have any question, please find me or watch the video again. Thank you.